Then move back over another feet, played away. And what one should I take down now? Let's down green. Let's take down green, guys. Oh baby, yeah, let's take down. Let's just take down. Let's just take down. Let's just take down our awesome egg. Then we got a car. These things are lightning fast. That's what it is. That's what it looks like. Let's do that. Play-Doh. Push it all in there. Push it all up. And then close it up. Then for the Play-Doh go. What one do I want to take? What one do you want me to take down? Let's take down the yellow. Let's take it. Let's see who this can be. The green looks so bad. The yellow looks so bad. Oh baby, yeah, we got a brand one. Wow, those things are lightning fast. You guys should buy some. I'll buy some. Who buys? McDonald's. That's what it is. McDonald's zombie cards. And what one do you want me to take down? Yes, what one do you want me to take down? Guys, what one do you want me to take down? Let's take down this one. Let's take down it. Oh, I popped it open in there to take down. Oh, we got a Luigi McDonald's. And then Angry Bird. That's what we got, two things. One egg. Screen. Bye-bye. 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 So now, since we didn't do that, McDonald's, it's a bag, and you get football. You slice it open. You don't get like characters. Or you said direct. So you just get like one guy. Get one guy for each take. To rip this baby open. Yeah, let's just take this and let's pull it. So we're just gonna slice this in half. Keep picking this up. Let's see the guys slowly. Here he is. We get two guys. Two guys. Here's one football player, two football players. Yeah, that's what those guys are. That you get numbers. Cool. Numbers. There is more stuff in there. So you get card plus card. You get cards. This is what you get. So I got, what did I get? What one did I get? I got a couple of these. I only opened the $1 one. So I got
a Dallas Cowboy.
So I got
with the football.
This one's ready. This one's ready for. So this is gonna be
Cowboy.
This could be this. This is one to be that one right there, but he's like different. But this one is like throwing over him. And this one should be.
The Raider.
He's to be one. He's to be this one right there. For sure is different. But he's to be that one right there. That's what the playing card is. That's what this is. See what this is. See what this is. Then so you can see two characters. What's it? This is everybody. So you get two bags. There's some stickers, I believe it's stickers. What's not to be stickers? So just open this right up. Things, and we get scissors. This doesn't have tear pull thingy on it. Does not have a tear puller. I'll just make my own tear puller. I might have to get the scissor back. Just let me have it.
Careful, please.
Slice it open. See that? Slice fan. That's what you get with this. You see what you get? Look, I just have it.
Let me try.
Want me
Let me help with the scissors. I'll just start a tear strip.
So we're good at it.
Right there. And those stickers go on the helmet like the picture shows.
So this one's like stickers. And then we get this. Open it up, and let's see what we get. Duh. This is the only thing we get inside. Stickers, you get stickers. I wonder if these are stickers. So 1, so 0. These are stickers that are going to be 0. What? No dice. Don't get to say bye. So this one goes here, and this goes here. You get two characters that one play. They don't stay together. One throwing a full shirt, one not throwing. This is going to be the little sticker sheet you get. Are these stickers? Yeah. Let's open it up. Six. We got a 5 on his helmet. There's our 5 on the top of his helmet. And the last, what should I give him? I'll give him take this 0, take it off my hand, and put it on my base. Give it. So he's. I'm not going to die yet. No die.
You're going to want to wrap it up. Matt's corner.
So it's going to be a 0 on one side. 6 on the other side. He should be a crossbones. That's just going to be his. So he is crossbones. So we got 2 characters. Even you get 1. You're supposed to get 1 of these backs, but you get 2. Put one there. So last one, I want to put this 0 back here. And 6. 0. That's him. 3 on the sky. 3. Put this 3. 3 and a 4. That's a little tiny 4. There's a 4 and his 2. That's a 4 and his 3. And then you also get. You can decorate their helmets. How neat is that, guys? Awesome! What's awesome about these ones? Is you can put stickers on them! Awesome! That's what I say. And you can put stickers on them. That's awesome. Isn't that? Yeah, that's awesome! So that's what they look like with their stickers on them. Then put the stickers I was supposed to use a couple of these same stickers. Tear this one off. And this one here. This sticker. Star sticker. Yeah. His base. And then, hi. This is again.